How do I account for potential risks in the underwriting process? Let's break this down into three key areas. First, we always incorporate contingency buffers into our budgets. We typically set aside around 10 to 15% of the renovation costs for unexpected issues. This cushion helps absorb surprises like hidden damage or higher days on market. Second, we dive deep into historical data to analyze potential market shifts. We look at trends in home prices, days on market, local economic indicators over the past 5 to 10 years. This helps us anticipate possible market changes during our flip timeline. Third, we consider multiple exit strategies in our financial projections. While selling is our primary goal, we also run numbers for renting or refinancing. This multi-scenario approach ensures we have at least one backup plan if the market shifts unexpectedly. By implementing these strategies, we significantly reduce our risk exposure. Remember, thorough underwriting is your first line of defense against potential losses in this exciting but complex investing strategy.